Hi friends, today's topic is the retrosynthesis analysis. It is the most important part in the organic chemistry. The retrosynthesis analysis is the reverse view or the different. That means product is from the reactants. Reaction is the start with the product. It is the fixed and unchangeable, and backwards to the starting material. It is called as a retrosynthesis analysis. Means simply remind that the product we use the product and we from the reactants. So example we use the example is the ester. So in this it is the ester. So in this we break, means we form the reactants. So we break the carbon oxygen bond in this compound, the two carbon oxygen bond. This is the carbon oxygen. So we break this bond, and this is the wiggly line. This is the wiggly line which disconnect the product, and this double line arrow is the retrosynthesis arrow. Single line arrow is the reaction. Means reactants are from two product, and it is the reverse process to. So we denoted that double line arrow. So we break the carbon oxygen bond and we give the two syntose. Syntose means CH2O negative plus pH double bond O positive. This is the syntose. Syntose means positive negative ion. So at the HCl is converted into the synthetic equivalence, means the correct reactant OH plus pH double bond O single bond Cl. It is the benzyl alcohol and it is the benzyl chloride. So the after the benzyl alcohol and the benzyl chloride add, we gives the ester. It is the reliable reaction. It is important to give the reliable reaction. Reliable reaction means the correct reaction. Firstly we see that the guidelines or the rule for the disconnection of the product. मीन्स जैसे नॉमेनक्लेचर के रूल होते हैं, मीन्स नॉमेनक्लेचर कैसे करना है. फर्स्टली कौन सा म्हणजे किसको क्या फर्स्टली मीन्स कार्बन लेना, ऑक्सीजन लेना या हैलाइड लेना, ऐसे अपन नॉमेनक्लेचर करते हैं. वैसे ही डिस्कनेक्शन भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स किए जाते हैं, तो वैसे रूल्स फॉलो किए जाते हैं उसके लिए. सो दिस इज द रूल्स. फर्स्ट रूल इज द डिस्कनेक्शन मस्ट करस्पॉन्डिंग टू known the reliable reaction. Second, two parts are joined with heteroatom, so disconnection are to next heteroatom. Third is the consider the alternative disconnection and the choose the route that avoid the chemosynthesis, means chemoselectivity problem. मीन्स डिस्कनेक्शन मोर रिएक्टिव ग्रुप फर्स्ट डिस्कनेक्ट करने का. और फोर्थ है फंक्शनल ग्रुप और द इंटर कन्वर्शन इज द यूज टू मिनिमाइज द चांस टू कीमोसिंथेसिस. सो अपन फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड और फोर्थ को अभी मीन्स अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं कि ये रूल्स कैसे. तो फर्स्टली वी यूज द रिलेबल रिएक्शन. अपने को रिलेबल रिएक्शन होना मीन्स जो अपन प्रोडक्ट से अपने को रिएक्टेंट फॉर्म होंगे, तो उससे डबल रिएक्शन करने के बाद अपने को रिटर्न प्रोडक्ट मिलने को होना. दिस इज द रिलेबल रिएक्शंस मीन्स फिक्स एंड अनचेंजेबल. Firstly, upon means above definition, we see that it is the reaction is fixed and unchangeable. So it is the fixed route to define the reliable reaction. अभी reliable reaction किसको बोलेंगे? ऐसी reaction जिसमें अपने को is the good quantity और quality मिले और performance उसका best हो और it is the trustable हो. It is the reliable reaction, and the simply you are the remind that we gives the two reactants, means product are the form with the two reactants. After we adding the two reactant, we gives the product. So it is the reliable reaction. So in this next example, we see the next example. It is the second example. So we see that it is the another ester. So also the firstly break the carbon oxygen bond. In this compound, two carbon oxygen bond are the present. First this carbon oxygen bond and this carbon oxygen bond. So firstly we disconnect both the bond, because we understanding the what is the reliable reaction or what way to disconnect the bond. So firstly, first route we disconnect this bond, so we give the two syntose and we converted it into the two synthetic equivalent. So there firstly we give the 1,5-dichlorophenol and it is the alkyl halide. Second, break this bond, so we use the another two syntose and convert it into the synthetic equivalent. So it is the trichlorobenzene or the hydroxy acid. When we added the trichlorobenzene and the hydroxy acid, we does not use the ester. And when we added the 1,5-dichlorophenol or the alkyl halide, means it is the alcohol or the alkyl halide, so we use the ester. It is the Williamson reaction. So this route, one second, I changed the pen. This is incorrect. So this route are the reliable reaction. This is the correct route. This is the second second rule, means two parts are the joined with the heteroatom. Heteroatom is the disconnect next to the heteroatom, means it is the before part of a heteroatom and it is the next part of heteroatom. So it is the disconnect to the next to the heteroatom. Suppose the two parts are the joined with the heteroatoms and the most of the heteroatoms are the present, means the sulfur, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygens are the heteroatoms. So the in this product we carbon and sulfur, so we use the two syntose. This is the two syntose converted into the synthetic equivalent. Cl. This is the synthetic equivalent. Means after we see that whenever we addition of the two reactant, we give the product. This is the two reactant we give. So sulfur, it is the two lone pair, means sulfur is the lone pair at the present. So this lone pair are the attacks on that carbon atom. So that carbon atom, this lone pair are the attacks that carbon atom. This bond are the shifted to the chlorine, means chlorine. So reaction, and in this reaction we use the single arrow because this is the start with the reactant. So NaOET or the ETOH. So we use the product. This is the sulfur. This is the product. The third rule is the The disconnection are the choose route that avoid the chemoselectivity problem, and this also means that the disconnection is more reactive group first. In this product, most of the means more disconnection are the present. This is the first, second, and NH group, amine groups are present, so this is also possible. This is also possible, means nitrogen oxygen bond. Nitrogen is the also the heteroatom, so it is the disconnection also possible. Nitrogen carbon bond, nitrogen carbon bond, it is the oxygen carbon bond, it is also the oxygen carbon bond. In these types we disconnect the all the means 1 2 3 or 4 types are the disconnection we do, means we doing, and we see the which disconnection is the correct. So firstly we disconnect the carbon oxygen bond. This is the carbon oxygen bond, so we use OH phenol oxygen. Another is the NH or pH, and the pH CH2Cl. This is the first. Second is another carbon oxygen bond, so second is the A B, so we use third type is means carbon nitrogen, so we use and the fourth is also the carbon nitrogen. So we see that the which route is the correct. In the first route we break this carbon oxygen bond. So the two functional group like oxygen or the nitrogens are the present, means oxygen or nitrogen are the present. As we know that the amines are the more basic than the alcohol, hence the alkylations or the phenol is the present, and it is the difficult to face the reaction or the create the chemosynthesis. So what is meant by the chemosynthesis? I shortly define that the chemosynthesis is the generally organic compound containing more than one or more functional group, functional group, that the most of they are the reacted in the one way, and hence the organic reaction lose their selectivity. The chemoselectivity is the phenomenon which is functional group reacted the predominantly over the other functional group, means that oxygen are the reacted with the other functional group, means nitrogen reacted over, so that this type so lose the this is the reactant or the suppose the product, they lose their selectivity, or it is create to problem in the reaction. So it is difficult to to form the product or the reactant. So it is not the correct view. अगर आपको कीमोसिंथेसिस करेक्टली समझ लेना है तो मेरा कीमोसिलेक्टिविटी का वीडियो देख लेना. कीमोसिलेक्टिविटी का वीडियो है स्पेशल, तो उस पे से आपको क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ द कीमोसिलेक्टिविटी. The second route, it is the another second route, this carbon oxygen bond also present. So another route break this carbon oxygen bond. So break this bond, we use the two reactant to in this reaction. Also the problems are the created, it is the difficult to alkylate phenol in the presence of the amine. In this way, the intermediate nucleophilic substitution, the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place between the alkyl halide and the secondary amines, means this lone pair are the transfer, or this chlorine means क्लोरीन को ये मतलब a bond, it is not the stable, means this lone pair are the reacted with the this another reacted with the this, और the क्लोरीन को सेपरेट कर देते हैं. इसलिए this route also not possible, or the it is possible but create the more problem. It is the second, means it is the third route. This carbon nitrogen bond is the break. In this rule we break the carbon nitrogen bond, so we use the reactant. It is appear to be the good route. There is no chance to the chemoselectivity, no chance with the chemoselectivity. One means oxygen only one heteroatoms are the present, and the nitrogens are the present in this route. Or the fourth route is the another, this bond is the carbon nitrogen bond. This is appear also the good route, but the next disconnection of the molecule create the problem due to the chemosynthesis, due to the chemoselectivity. So next means this bond, after we break this bond, so this bond whenever we disconnect this bond, so the created the problem. So this is also also not the reliable. So this is the reliable reactions, means reliable for the disconnection. It is the fourth type is the FGI, functional group interconversion. FGI means it is the planning to know the means the process of the writing the one functional group from the other to help the synthetic planning. Means one functional group helps with the other functional group for the synthetic planning is the function of the FGI. So FGI is the functional group interconversion, is used to minimize the chemoselectivity. And this is the example. In this example, the two carbon nitrogen bond are the disconnect. This is the first and this is the second. The functional group can be converted into the any other functional group with the help of oxidation, reduction, or the substitution. Means one functional group is replaced by other functional group with the help of oxidation, reduction, or the substitution. So we disconnect the first bond, means carbon nitrogen bond in the first route. So in this route, in the route first constructed the amine and the alkyl in the presence of alkyl halide. So amine has the strong tendency which react with the alkyl halide to give the amide, and in the route second, In the root, second we construct the amide from the secondary amide in the presence of primary amide. This is the product. The primary amine has the more tendency. The primary amine has the more tendency to form the amide as compared to the secondary amine, so it creates the problem. So it is not a correct route. It is a reliable route. It is the reliable route, and so it is the retrosynthetic analysis. Simply, what we see in the retrosynthesis. Firstly, it is the product to reactant. Second, break disconnection करने के firstly the reliable reaction, we see the reliable reaction. Second है हेट्रोएटम, अगर हेट्रोएटम प्रेजेंट है उसके नेक्स्ट एटम को डिस्कनेक्ट. थर्ड इज द मोर रिएक्टिव group. More reactive group firstly disconnect, and the fourth is the FGI, use FGI. So this is the retrosynthesis. Is the simply the nodes. The retrosynthesis is product from the reactant reliable reaction. First it is the important to use the reliable reaction. Thanks a lot. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक्स.